Hi kids, welcome to the channel. Today we are going to learn how to draw a simple frog. Let's get into the video.
To begin with, let's start with a simple circle. Don't control your hand while drawing a circle, just go with the flow. And then divide a circle with two lines. Here is where our frog's eyes and mouth come. Draw a shape like this, start from the first line. Now draw two big circles right there. This is for the eyes. Now draw the mouth, tongue and nose. It doesn't matter how much lines you draw and erase. Continue until the confident line you are satisfied with. And now we need to block the areas for the lower body. To block the areas, just use basic shapes like square, circle and triangle. Here I am going to use oval shaped circle. Now I am done with blocking. Let's draw the outline based on the blocking we have done. Now it says coloring start. And that's it. We have finished our drawing. This is our cute little green frog. Let me repeat the steps once again. First, draw a circle and divide it with two lines. One is for eyes, one is for mouth. And block the areas with simple circles for the lower body. Once you completed with the blocking, let's draw an outline based on the blocking we have done. And draw skin textures here and there for the detailing. And once you're done with your outline, just fill it with the colors. Ta-da! Our cute little weenie frog is ready. That's it for now. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.